What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for one of its very interesting and a powerful application which we are going to take a look at in today's video. Now let's go to the recent application. You can see this is the app Samsung Semantic Core. Now this application is quite interesting. Let me tell you why, but before we do that, let's scroll down here and check out the latest version number. It's 5.5.00.11. And the size is pretty huge. You can see it's 596.00 MB and the updated date is 15 June. However, I just got this update today. Now let me tell you why this application is interesting and why is this important. Let's go to the home screen. Let me just tap on Finder here. If you don't have a Finder on the home screen, you can also go to the app tray and tap on Finder. Now let me just say my eyes are hurting and check this out. Right on top, I have got Eye Comfort Shield, which is under display settings, and we also have enhanced comfort option and vision enhancements option. So what just happened is I just told the phone that my eyes are hurting and it understood the context and gave me those options which will help me change the settings on my phone to comfort my eyes. I can enable the Eye Comfort Shield directly here. If I want something else, those results are also available here. I can directly go to vision enhancements as well. So all these search results are based on the context that I just typed in here. Now that is very interesting. The phone understands what you say, your context, and it throws those options which are relevant to you. And this is possible because of this particular application, Semantic Core. You can see in the description it says, get exclusive benefits with your Galaxy. Samsung Semantic Core provides search results and recommendations that are suitable for the user's status and intentions through enhanced analysis. So what it does is it will analyze whatever you are typing or telling the phone, and it shows those recommendations which are suitable for that particular interaction that you're having. The user data retrieved in this process will be processed only within the device. Samsung Semantic Core supports the following features: Calendar, Reminder, Notes, Calls, Voice Recordings, Finder, Bixby. In Bixby, it provides search results that have similar meanings to the search terms, even if users don't enter the exact words. And on Keyboard, it understands the context of conversations with the other person to recommend replies and actions. That's another important thing that this application can do. It understands the context of conversations with the other person to recommend replies and actions, which means while you're using Samsung Keyboard on any of the messaging application, the keyboard will recommend the replies and actions based on the text that you're receiving. That is quite powerful and very cool, and that is executed with the help of Samsung Semantic Core application, and this has got a major update. Go ahead and update this application. There is no new features being added here, but this update should improve the context awareness and understanding and give you better results whenever you are conversating with your phone. That is why this is an important update and a very important application. Go ahead and update this. Currently I am seeing this update available on the Galaxy S26 series. You should be getting it on the S25 series and the rest of the phones as well. If you have it, drop a comment and let me know. And while you do that, be sure you become a part of this community by subscribing to the channel. You get to learn a lot about your devices, the new updates, new features, tips and tricks, a lot to learn. So go ahead, become a part of this community. We are inching closer to 200K, and with your support, we can reach that milestone very soon. So go ahead, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video informative. And of course, do not forget to download our Wallverse wallpaper application. The link for you to download the app is in the description. There are some incredible free and premium wallpapers available, including the video wallpapers which got recently added. Go ahead, check out the application. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.